Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your page permanently on Facebook. And for this, make sure that you logged into your Facebook page. Then from here, tap right in the bottom on menu. Then from here, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. From there, tap on settings. And from here, scroll down to access and control. Then from here, we want to tap on deactivation and deletion. And we want to delete our account permanent. So tap on that and then do continue. Then from here, tap on the reason why you want to delete your page. So I spend too much time on Facebook. For me, that's fine. Then tap continue. Tap continue again. Fill in your password. Then delete example pages, page and information. So we will delete every information around our page. Delete page. And what it says is the following page will be deleted and you will be switched to Tommy Flux. You can reactivate within 30 days by logging in as Tommy Flux and going to account settings. Alright, I want to do this and then tap on delete page. Now, our page got deleted, and if I'm holding my menu settings, our page is gone. Alright guys, this is the best way how you can delete your page, and this way will always works. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.